Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go with the information. The number of people on a social networking site doubles every 6 months. If the site had an initial membership of 200 people when it launched, which of the following equations represents the site's total membership M 2 years after its launch? Okay, so here we have doubling time concept. Okay, there is a formula whenever the given population doubles in a particular time period, there is a formula for that one. Okay, first let me write the formula, that is y equals to a times 2 to the power of t over d. Okay, now let me explain the components of this formula. So this a is the initial population, and initial population means that's a population when t is equal to 0, and y is the population after t years, or the final population. Okay, and this d is a doubling time and it has to be in years. So here both t and d must be in years. So t is the total time and d is the doubling time in years. Here we can replace this y by this capital M, because according to the question we have to find the site's total membership capital M t years after its launch. So let me plug in capital M for y, and A is the initial population that is given in the question. That is a site at an initial membership of 200 people. So we can plug in 200 for this A times 2 to the power of. So we can keep this T as it is, because the question says that site's total membership M T years after its launch. So they have not given any value for T. So we can keep this T as it is. And here D is the doubling time in years. So we have doubling time in the question, that is the number of people on the site doubles every 6 months. So here the doubling time is given in months, but we need the doubling time D in years. So D is equal to 6 months according to the question. So we have to convert the months to years. For that, what I have to do is I have to divide this 6 by 12, because we know that 1 year equals to 12 months. When I divide the number of months by 12, automatically it will become years. So D equals to, when I simplify the 6 divided by 12, I'm getting 1 over 2. So D is equal to half year. So we can plug in a 1 half for D over here. So now capital M equals to 200 times 2 to the power of. So we can write this T as it is, and we can change this division as multiplication. So when I change the division as multiplication, I have to take reciprocal for the denominator. When I take reciprocal for this 1 half, it will become 2 over 1. Then I'm getting M equals to 200 times 2 to the power of 2 times T is 2T. So when 2T is divided by 1, still it is equal to 2T. So finally I'm getting M equals to 200 times 2 to the power of 2T. So we find this stuff in option D. The correct answer choice for this question is option D.